Welcome to our tutorial on CATIA's mirror tool. First, I'll create a rectangle. Now I'm creating a center line. Let's convert this line to construction geometry. Select View, Toolbars, Operations. From the Operations toolbar, let's select the Mirror command. Let's select this entity and click this line. As you can see, CATIA created a mirror image of this rectangle. Now let's extend the specification tree. We see a number of symmetry symbols here. We're going to select this side and delete it. Now let's create a circle right here. And we will convert it to normal geometry. Now we Control-select the rectangle, and I'll click the mirror tool again. You can see in the information corner, CATIA is telling us select a line or axis from which the elements will remain equidistant. I'm going to select my construction line. Now I see both of these elements have been mirrored across the construction line. And this concludes our tutorial on the mirror function.